Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be looking at we're going to do a review on Frizzly AI. Now Frizzly AI is said to help you supercharge your writing with AI. It transforms AI generated content into 100% human text with Frizzly. So you can save time on your writing, boost efficiency, and bypass AI detectors like Turnitin and GPT-0. So you can get started for free by clicking on get started for free. But before we go there, they have model versions. We have easy, medium, and aggressive. We also have the pro engine. So right from back, you can just put in, then try the sample text or import a file, put it in. You can paste the text and ask it to humanize. You can also have to check for AI. That's good. Then when you do that, this is where the one you pasted will be, and this is where the humanized contents will appear. It's used by students and writers all around the world. You can see the University of Oxford, Stanford University, Yale University, so many universities. The University of Pennsylvania, University of Cambridge, Stanford, Berkeley, and the rest of them. So let's see. Let's look at the product. It has AI humanizer that helps to bypass AI detectors like GPT-0 and Turnitin to get a higher grade with custom language models. It has an AI detector to check your text for AI with highly accurate models for free. Content generator to generate content for your essays, website, or social media within seconds. So let's look at the pricing. You can select a plan that works for you. Gain access to all of their tools and features for a low monthly or annual price, no hidden fees, and you can cancel anytime. If you go for the annual plan, you save 45%. If you go for the monthly plan, you save 25%. Alright, let's see what we got. The free plan is a flexible option for individuals who want to try the AI tools. You pay $0 per month, like I said, free. But after the trial, you are billed $19.99. So you can start the free trial by clicking on here, start free trial. Now what do you get under the free trial? You get 550 AI humanization words, you get 3 content generation credits, you get limited usage of AI tools, you get upgrade early anytime during trial, and basic AI detection bypass. Now if you decide to upgrade to the unlimited plan, it's for powerhouses who want to take their writing to the next level. You pay $19.99 per month, and you get unlimited AI humanization. You get 15 AI writer generations per month, get 2,500 words per process, advanced AI detection bypass, watermark and feature proof, and better access to new AI tools. Then if you go for the monthly plan, so for the annual plan, the limited changes to $12.99 per month are billed at $155.88 annually with the same features. Now, there are some frequently asked questions here. So you can try Fraser for free today. Join a million plus students and writers who use Fraser AI content tools to write faster and more efficiently. So let's try for free. So before you can get started for free, you have to register an account with them. So you put in your email and then you put in the password. Password must be strong, and then as you can see it's measuring the password. When it gets strong enough, it will show green, and then you can confirm the password. Now I have no idea what I typed, so I'm just going to copy that and paste it here. So there we go. Then click on the agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and click on create an account. You can also create your account using Google instead of just go to the bottom and click on continue Google instead of using your email. So we're trying to create the account. Let's see what happens next. It's registering right now. If you want to read the terms of service, you can click here to read the terms of service. If you want to read the privacy policy, you can click here to read the privacy policy. So we're still waiting for it to register. Why is it there? Let's look at the terms of service. Here are the terms of service. You can read through this. There's table of contents. You can know about their services, intellectual property rights, everything you need to know about them, their ethics, how to contact them, and refunds. Let's try something. It will be 30 Westland. Oh, they said 30, right? We still need more. Okay. Okay. Humanize. Oh, for us to be humanized, we have to sign up to humanize the text and make it undetectable. We've been trying to do it with our email, but it's not working. Let's see. For whatever reason, they're not letting me create an account. This is what I've been saying, registering. I'm gonna change the language now. It's changed, the language has changed. So in case English isn't your language, you can change the language right here. So they also have a business API. Let's check out the business API section. Let's see. AI detection API for developers. Looking to develop your own application with the Fraser AI detection API. We have an easy to use API designed to integrate effortlessly into your application. So let us view the pricing for this. So if you want to use the API pricing for the monthly, you pay $14.99 per month. It's for a scalable plan, stable for businesses that need credit for building and texting. So you get about 16k words per month, and you get non-expiring credit, AI detection API plus 92% discount, redistribution and white labeling. You get GPU infrastructure, no rate limits. Then if you use the other plan, which is the custom API, you get more than 830k words per month, but you need to contact them. And what's included is everything we mentioned for the developer API, plus custom pricing and plans, 24/7 support, and built for your company's needs. So let's see for the annual. If you do the annual, you save 44%. Developer API has changed from $14.99 to $7.50. That means you're billed at $89.4 annually. Really nice. You still get your 16k words. Now some people have asked some questions that do they offer a Humanizer API? But as at October 30, 2024, the Humanizer API has been discontinued. The decision was made to maintain a proprietary nature of their technology as they roll out new AI models. Users can still access their humanizer features through the personal plans. For current API customers, please know that the AI Detector API remains fully functional. Can you test it for free? While you do not directly have a free trial, you can test out the functionality of the AI Detector by signing up for a free account. To give you 250 words credit to test out the functionality. If you need more credits, you can purchase them on the pricing page. Is there any usage limit? They don't have any request limits. However, your quota is based on the number of words you have purchased. If you need more words, you have to purchase them on the pricing page. So how do you use the API? The endpoints are accessed through web requests. Check the documentation for more information specifics to your use case. They support webhook or callbacks. Webhook integration and web callbacks are available to customers upon request. If you're looking to process high volumes of content and require webhook integration, reach out to them at support@presley.ai. So I think that is all for today because we're trying to create an account but it's not working out. So for today, this is all we can do. Hope to see you in the next video. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. We're going to review other AI. So don't forget to tap or ring notification bell to get our updated and new videos. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel for more if you haven't done that already, and if you have, thank you so much, it helps. Good night or have a lovely day depending on the time zone.